In our last video, we looked at converting units of volume of liquids, and we looked at litres, centilitres and millilitres. We said to get from litres to centilitres, I multiply by 100. To get from centilitres to millilitres, I multiply by 10. In one step, if I'm if I'm trying to get from litres to millilitres, instead of just timesing by 100, then timesing by 10, that's exactly the same as multiplying by 1,000. And on the opposite side, if I'm going from millilitres to centilitres, I am dividing by 10 instead of timesing by 10, because it's the inverse operation, and centilitres to litres, I shall be dividing by 100. And in the same way, to get from millilitres straight to litres, I shall be dividing by 1,000. Okay, well, let's have a look at a few examples. Let's say, for example, we have 400 millilitres and we're converting that into litres. Well, 400 millilitres into litres, I've said we're going to divide by 1,000. That will give me one step. So I'm going to be doing 400 divided by 1,000, and my answer is going to be in litres. Okay, well, dividing by 1,000 is the same as dividing by 10, dividing by 10, and dividing by 10 again. So if I divide by 10, I get 40. If I divide by 10 again, I get 4. And if I divide by 10 again, I get 0.4. 0.4 litres is the answer for that one. Let's say we're looking at 5 millilitres, and we're converting that into centilitres. Well, 5 millilitres is the amount that a medicine spoon would hold. 5 millilitres, to get into centilitres, I divide by 10. 5 divided by 10, you should know, is 0.5. And the answer is in centilitres. We can also see this because it's 5 over 10, which is a half, and the same, a half is 0.5 as a decimal. Okay, 80 centilitres into litres is my last example. To get from centilitres into litres, I divide by 100. So I'm doing 80 divided by 100. 80 divided by 100, or 80 divided by 10 is 8. Divided by 10 again will make 0.8. And remember, my answer is in litres.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.